Okay, so you can see here this client has lashes that actually almost grow downwards, and they're very straight. So they can be a little bit hard to get at. So what we can do is we can use a different taping method here. This works great if there's any excess skin or if lashes are growing downwards and are very straight. So some of these lashes are quite a bit down there, and this taping technique definitely helps a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and use just the smallest little piece of our under eye tape here. I'm just going to grab the skin right here and see how much that brings up the lashes and opens the eyes, and then you can just tape right over the eyebrow. So now you can see when you go to isolate these lashes that you can really get at them a lot better than you did before. Makes it a lot easier to lash.